Sige, sige. Nasa si Mads. Mads!
Discovered.
Jasper.
Diyan na lang.
Rebecca's character, but when I know that it's gonna be an exhibit, I want to be in good hands. And, syempre, para malaman ko na makakatrabaho ko yung idol ko, Miss Juniors, yes, she's super my idol. And, Miss Juniors, again.
We invite everyone to watch Widow's War.
Hi guys, my name is Benjamin Abbas, inviting you to watch Widow's War premiere National Library.
Kasi purely professional lang eh. So sabi ko sana mas magkaroon pa ng mga chances or opportunities na makapag-bond kami outside work. Kasi lagi yan kami, free ka ba ng ganito, free ka ba ng ganyan, dinner, ganyan, lunch. Hindi natutuloy dahil ang hirap ng mga schedules. So sana, pag hindi gaano na kami sa Widow's War, mas makapag-bond na kami para hindi lang gusto pa.
Planning din po ba kayo makapunta sa farm?
Uy, why not? Yes, uy. Pero dapat imbitahan muna ako. Kaysa naman, bigla na lang ako pumunta. So, very busy siya. She has Widow's War, yung kanyang businesses and all that, endorsements niya. Sana makasingit ako sa schedule.
Last po,
Na.
invitation lang.
I'm not sure kung with Dea, but yes, opo. Marami po kami mga guestings, promos na naka-line up. Habang hindi pa po kami nag-e-air, sinasagad po namin yung mga promos po namin. So definitely, even while we're airing already, marami pa rin crossover or mga guestings. Tuesday yun.
Any reaction na kayo na nakita mo yung full trailer at napakaganda positive?
Ang ganda. Because it feels like you're watching a movie. It feels like you're watching a masterpiece. It's even better than what I expected. Kakaunti pa lang naman yung mga aerials na napapanood ko.
Can you give me medyo naka-side here? Yeah.
One more na looking there, I left it. Tapos look it. Balikan. Shoes for Rosen. Pagpag-isipan ko kung ginagawa. Ano?
Chewy, ito wala ka sa